Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about another CSC scholarship universities, Zhengzhou University, Zhengzhou University. So let's start. Type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After clicking on first link, you can see here is the website cscguideofficial.com. You can get every update about every university whose deadline has been, whose scholarship CSC scholarship has been announced. So today we discuss Zhengzhou University, Zhengzhou University. In other words, we pronunciate. So click on that link, and after that here's other universities like BJTU, East China University of Science and Technology, and all these things, Southeast University, JMUC University, all these things whose scholarship has been started. So you can check this. So here's the detail about this university, Zhengzhou University. This is for masters, for CSE scholarship is for master students, and for PhD students, you can apply, master students can apply. Okay, for PhD and for CSE master students, only master students can apply for this scholarship. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 15th of April 2021 is the last date. All international students can apply. And for master, I also show you in the online form that which major they offer, and master students apply for master students apply for CSE, and PhD students only apply for presidential scholarship. Okay, presidential scholarship is equal to CSE. Like if CSE offer 3,500 RMB for to PhD students, then the same presidential scholarship offers, ZZU offer presidential scholarship 3,500 RMB. Okay, which is equal to CSE. Age limit for master 35. You can apply English proficiency certificate. With English proficiency certificate, IELTS is not mandatory. How to apply for this scholarship? Fill CSE scholarship online application form, Zhengzhou University online application form, upload all required documents, and these are the documents I will show you in this video. And no need to pay application fee, no need to send hard copies. Here's click here to apply on CSE portal. How you fill CSE online application form, here is the detail. And click here to apply on university portal. Here is the detail about university online application form. Okay, required documents is CSE online application form, Zhengzhou University online application form, highest degree, transcript of highest education, study plan, recommendation letters, passport for copy, and physical examination form, English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. No criminal certificate record. Certificate of no criminal record means police clearance certificate is also required for this. In this university, acceptance letter is optional. Other requirements like your academic record and these kind of things. Okay, now click here to apply on university portal. So after clicking here and make an account, after signing in, click on online application form, and after clicking on that, you can see here is the detail about that. I fill this form and I will delete it. This is already filled by fill in process form, and then click on application. And after clicking on application, here is the detail, non-provincial government scholarship program, and this is, I think this is for master students as well, bachelor students as well. I think no, last time they offered, but this time they not. Okay, prior go to back, they in this non-provincial government scholarship program, I think you should need to pay tuition fee, I think. So you can select any of them, these two. It means if you want to apply for Chinese government scholarship, you can select Chinese government scholarship general recruitment program and Chinese government scholarship independent recruitment program. Both of them is okay. If you select this one, and this is also okay, and this is also in under B category scholarship, so you can choose any of them. So Confucius Institute program and Zhengzhou University presidential scholarship application form program. So I click on this one, and after clicking on that, you can check master program and which program you have. Means if you want to apply for Chinese start, then here. If you want to apply for English program, then click here. So I will a little bit go back, and I'll show you that Zhengzhou University presidential scholarship program is only for doctor candidate, and you can see his if you want to apply for Chinese start program, and click here, and for English program, click here. So today we discuss about master program scholarship, means CSE scholarship. So let's go to the master program section, and means CSE scholarship online program section. So go back, just go back, and speed is a little bit slow, so maybe you should have to wait some time. So as we go back, so click on this option. After clicking on that, after selecting my program, I'm major in English, for example, and here is these majors and from these major you should apply. So click on next, Okay, after clicking on next, so here these are the major, so I select chemical engineering and go back. That I'll show you which documents you should upload on, you should need to upload on this portal. Click online application and click on view option. After clicking on view option, you can see uh, the required documents in online portal of ZZU University. So here is means photocopy of passport. All these are same. Like here's I'll show you, already show you. Okay, so passport, copy of passport, bachelor degree, transcript of bachelor degree, letter of recommendation letter, study plan, English proficiency certificate, physical examination form, certificate of no criminal record, and application form of Chinese government scholarship. Means the form which you filled on CSC online application portal. Download the form and upload here. Okay, and other documents required, acceptance letter, like these kind of things. If you have, otherwise don't need. And in this university, many of my friends got CSC scholarship without acceptance letter, so don't worry about this if you have either if you have acceptance letter or not. So good luck and hope for the best, all of you. And who's get admission in Zhengzhou University, welcome. We welcome you in this university. So in after 1 year, so definitely definitely this video is very helpful for you. Good luck and take care of yourself.